Oh, thank you so much for this conference. I'm very happy I'm from Ghana to attend this very important and I like it. And I also thank the participants for organizing this type of meeting. And I actually learn a lot and I share my experience, also acquire knowledge from other participants. Thank you so much and I hope this will continue organizing and then more topics will be included. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Kyle. I'm a student at Douglas College. I just attended the conference today. I really enjoyed hearing different types of speakers and learning so much about their research. Thank you.